Welcome to the video today, guys. Today we're going to review our Webull dividend portfolio spreadsheet. This is our February update. Month of February was really good to us. We ended up $615.98. So far, we have collected a total of $247.24 worth of dividends. In this video today, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. During the month of February, we deposited a total of $300. We now have a total of $5,000 in our Webull account. For our purchases in the month of February, we bought one share of Sunoco for $30.90. And we were also able to add one more share of QYLD for $23.31 with our dividend money. As far as all of our dividends received for the month of February, we received $3.38 from Oxford Lane, $3.14 from Verizon, $5.64 from ET, $6.60 from Sunoco, $1.43 from B&G Foods, $4.20 from Independent Bank, $1.88 from Realty Income Corp, $2 from Horizon, and $2.08 from AT&T for a total of $30.35. It's pretty neat to see all these dividends start to add up every month. As you can see, we're currently up to $11.08 of dividends remaining in our account. We're just waiting to be able to purchase another share of QYLD. But if you go to this chart, this has become my favorite chart that I have. It shows year over year the difference in dividend amount. So this red line is 2020. As you can see, we only had $1.49 in January of 2020, and this January we got $22.02. So as the year goes on, it'll be neat to see how much each month has grown. As you can see, February's grown quite a bit. It went from $2.83 to $30.35. As far as the investing strategy for this account, what I am going to do is I'm going to start to slim down the account. These two stocks right here, Tiva and Vonage, were my free stocks from Webull for signing up and depositing money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set sell prices. So once these get to certain prices, they're going to sell off, and I'm going to set them. I'm going to set Vonage for $15. I should have did that a while ago because it had already hit $15, but that way, if at any point this year it hits that price amount, I can get that money and then buy a dividend-paying stock. Because currently these two do not pay any dividends, so we'll try to get rid of those. Also, if this Apple does not start to pay a dividend, I'm going to dump that because I've got $228 that's not really making any money right now. They should be coming up on the point where they have to pay a dividend to continue to be a REIT. If they do and they come back with the dividend that they had before, I'll get $1.60 every month. So, but if they do choose to not pay the dividend, I'm going to sell those and probably put it into Horizon or another higher paying dividend stock. Also, the other thing I'm going to do this year, because Sunoco was my biggest one. I started this account with trying to buy a couple stocks from companies that I use all the time. Like I bank at Independent, I buy my gas from Sunoco. We have a Dollar General and a Family Dollar in our town, so I wanted that one. And then this slowly started to get out of hand, where I started putting money into a bunch of different companies, and I really feel like if I was able to concentrate my money within 5 or 6 stocks, that it probably would create bigger returns every month as far as dividends go. Basically, every time this year that I buy gas, I'm going to buy one share of Sunoco, no matter what the price is. Like if you remember when I first started buying this, it was $31 over a year ago. I really missed a lot of opportunities. Let me show you here. I really missed a lot of opportunities to buy a lot of shares when it was really cheap because I didn't have very much money. Like I should have been loading the boat like right here, because I would have doubled my money big time. Also right here, I mean, I could have almost tripled my money, but it would have created a really high yield every month. But so I'm just gonna try to add a couple shares every time I buy gas, and then hopefully that'll get that the amount I get paid every month up. Like as you seen in February, I got $6 and something, and then the next time I get paid, I'm gonna get $7. So every single time I add one share, it's gonna add almost $1 to my payment that I get paid when it pays its dividends. So I really want to start to increase my dividend income so I can replace my paycheck. That's the goal of this, anyways. It's a real slow process, but it is pretty neat to see the improvement. When you think if I would have just spent my money on other things, basically I would have. I mean, I've got $5,000 in here, and I've technically that $5,000 is now worth $5,635 plus this $200 and almost $50. So I mean, I've almost made $1,000 on my $5,000. That's pretty reassuring that we're doing the right thing here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date. This is Sunday Fun Day, where we review our 4 different accounts. We review our Webull Dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings account, and a growth portfolio. If you want to see more investing videos, make sure you click one of the videos on the screen or check out the sidebar. Thanks for watching.